Bonjour, qu'est-ce qu'un conversation kit? Donc, j'ai une page Facebook, Learn French with the Bobo Program, et tous les mois, je propose un conversation kit. Le conversation kit, c'est 4 posts. Le post Day 1, c'est, alors, I'm going to show you an example. Donc, voici un exemple. Par exemple, donc tous les conversation kits sont identiques. La structure, elle est identique. Il y a 4 posts. Le post du first day, day 1, c'est, as you can see here, discover new vocabulary. Donc, par exemple, ça, c'est les unités dans le groupe Facebook Learn French with the Bobo Program. Day 1, discover new vocabulary. On day 2, c'est practice. Because after 24 hours, your brain starts to purge any new information, and that's not what we want. We want to remember. So after discovering the new vocabulary, you need to practice right away. Day 6, that's the third post. On day 6, forgetting to recall. So your brain is really powerful, but new information that you don't use, usually the brain starts to purge again after a week. It's important also to let your brain forget a little bit and then practice so you remember again, even if it's a bit hard. So on day 6, I don't give you much, and you have to try to remember. On day 15, I give you the retrieval cues. The retrieval cues are here to help you retrieve what you've learned from day 1 in a different context, in a different life situation. C'est toujours pour travailler le même vocabulaire, mais avec des photos complètement différentes. So you can use everything you learn in a different context. Sorry, I go back and forth French and English. Et voilà, par exemple, pour le mois de décembre, le kit, c'était parler d'art, talk about art, present a painting, and describe a painting. Et I was talking about coffee because there is another unit, and it's the January conversation kit, and it's all about coffee. So we did day 1, we did day 2, and day 6. So now they're waiting on day 15 for the retrieval cues. If you can join Learn French with the Bobo program, you can practice on the specific day, day 1, day 2, day 6, and day 15, and not just like go over all the videos, all the posts at once. Voilà. Here is the monthly conversation kit, like the PDF document, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So I will put a link on this Facebook group, and you can just click on the link and then download your monthly conversation kit. So let's take a look inside. You have an introduction, so the topic, the objectives of this monthly conversation kit. Ensuite, donc décrire un tableau en 10 points. Ensuite, on continue. Donc là, c'est let's practice. So I give you an example. I give you 3 paintings. You can go with another painting. Of course, it's just I wanted to provide you some material so you can work with. How to order coffee in Paris. Un espresso. Un double espresso. Un café. Un café allongé. Un déca. Un crème ou un café crème. Un noisette. Sur place. À emporter. Un expresso ou un crème. Un café ou un noisette. Un crème ou un déca. Un noisette ou un crème. Un café allongé ou un expresso. Un expresso ou un café. Un café allongé
ou un crème? Sur place ou à emporter? Sur place ou à emporter?